Okay, so I have been doing some more studying. You know how I was talking about the Universal Code of 369? If you haven't seen it, go find my Universal Code of 369 video, and maybe I'll link it in the comments below so you can watch it. And anyway, so Earth is below 1D. Okay, and then we have the subconscious mind being 1D. 2D is the instinctual mind. 3D is the reasoning mind. 4D is the astral mind. 5D is the archetype mind. 6D is the celestial mind. 7D is the etheric mind. 8D is the nomadic mind. The keratic mind is the 9th D. And 7 through 9 dimensions are the oversoul. That's where the Kundalini awakening happens. That's the highest level of consciousness that you can obtain in this realm, okay? The soul is 4 through 6D. That's the astral, the archetype, and the celestial. So when you can astrally travel, the archetype mind and the celestial mind. It's in the level of the angels, the realm of the angels. So the subconscious, instinctual mind, and reasoning mind obviously is 1 through 3D, which is where we are, where we start. That's where it all starts, the carbon matter. And the carbon etheric is the soul area, which is 4 through 6D. But if you want to, do you see what I'm saying? The 369 is the universal code. So once you reach 3D, which is the reasoning mind, the only way you can go is up. So you got to do 4, 5, and 6 to get to the next level. And then you got to do 7, 8, 9 to get to the next level. So to get to the Kundalini awakening. So if we think in quantum mechanics, there technically is 18 dimensions. So we are the mirror of the highest realm, the next 9 realms. Okay, we're the first 9 realms. The rest of the realms go up to from 10 to 18, which is where Christ, God, and the Holy Spirit reside, which would be a heaven in turn. But also is the mirror or the parallel universe of the earth. How do you wrap your mind around that? Like legit, wrap your mind around that. But the 10th dimension is the Christaic mind. The 11th dimension is the Buddhaic mind. The 12th dimension is the Nirvanic mind. And I'm going to tell you something. You're not going to achieve that goal in this realm unless once you hit that, you will go into the parallel universe. That's the only way to achieve those conscious levels. The 13D is the Partika mind. The 14D is the Partika mind. And then the 15D, or Partiki mind, is the 14D, and the 15D is the Partika mind. The 15D is the violet ray, the 14D is the gold ray, and the 13D is the blue ray. To kind of explain, that is where God is. And then Christ and Buddha and all of that type of energy is in the Christos area, which is the 12th dimension to the 10th dimension. So you got to see, do you see what I'm saying? Like, to enter this next parallel universe, to get to the 10th dimension, you have to enter the other universe. The parallel universe, the mirroring universe. Heaven. And then we have earth, which is what? If it's not heaven, then what is it? Hell? Because, some of us can think of that. Especially if you stay within the 3D realm, which is all the low vibrational energy, which I have said for years, is absent from the parietal lobe. That's why they can't read your mind, but they can sit on your shoulder and creep into your mind and do the 9 of Swords to you on a regular basis, which is cause anxiety, stress, and chaos. They can constantly cause problems there. But if you get to the 4D consciousness, you're rising above the low vibrational energy. So you have, once you hit rock bottom, which is the subconscious mind, and you break through that, which is the next is the instinctual mind, the mental mind, and then the 3D is the reasoning mind. Once you get above that, you go to places you've never imagined. But once you hit the 9D, that's as high as you can go in this realm, or whatever you want to call it, in this universe. Because the parallel universe, it kind of knocks you, slaps you back down to gravity. But the 10 through the 18 is the next one. And that code is 12, 15, and 18 once you reach those next levels. So, do you see what I'm saying? Like, there's something very significant to the code of 3, 6, 9. And you know what 3, 6, and 9 equal? 18. 18 dimensions. Does it make sense to you? Quantum mechanics, quantum physics, which can cause a nuclear reaction if you use the codes of 3, 6, 9 into everything, which is what the parallel universe is from us. I know it's something to think about, guys. I'll talk to you later.